talk about me, but in I see, they can't for me. She knows calling on me. All of my dreams, cause I barely, they talk about me, but in I see, they can't for me, they come for me. Yeah. I'm not the storyteller, my legacy's forever. When I'm gonna be to remember, cause my reading stands forever. Nothing else can hold me. Can you write my story? Lost my pens inside me. Yeah, I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all.
You let me know my story when you see me, never blame me. Reality touch me low-key before I used to be holy. Before nobody noticed, I'll be back from the journey. Regards to my mommy, tell her, mommy, I'm coming. B.O.B. here, still on steam. When you set me, then I'm no more here. Right on my grave, I really tried. I tried to strive, and when it's hard, I stick to the grind. I pray to Jah, who paid the price to notice eyes. Who mind on my radars, building my feathers. When I go fly, it go be there like I want. There's many situations I can't handle. Was walking in my shadow, now I'm built in the struggle. Never ever will I stumble, so I'm doubling my hustle. What I can't in bundles, stuck in the grind, though the hustle no be muscle. For them to they love you, now they say never bear on your candle. Nice if I compromise, I place on my cause no one got your vibe.
I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all. I'm just 24, and I can't give it all.